What's up, guys? Welcome to System Test 3. This video actually hooked up this amplifier and the speaker to my panel. Let's get to it. First, I need to do something. Now here it should work. Here's System Test 3. So how it's set up, I have this relay connecting to the speaker circuit, and that's how it's gonna work. So for future system tests, I'm gonna try to hook up this pull station to this. Probably these two LEDs are gonna go, but so I can make this relay. This is gonna be the strobe relay, and this is gonna be the speaker relay. What I'm gonna do, this relay is gonna be like this. That one is gonna activate another circuit, which is gonna drive a smart sync module for the strobe. Speaking of strobe, maybe I can get it to work very quick. Here it is.
Attention. An emergency has been reported.
Yeah, here it goes. So, yeah. Let's reset. And another pull. So yeah, here it is. And let's turn off this. So yeah, bye.